How's it? Welcome to another episode of Jackson Garage Apartment Edition, San Francisco. Let's have a look. We can see something out the window. No, you can just see a reflection. I'll show you something just now. Okay, great. Well, we are going to unbox my trailer hitch for my 2007 Sprinter van, made in China. Okay, we're going to get to it. Have a look. This is so exciting. Wonderful. So here are the doors that it came in. And for all of you that don't know what a doors is, it's a box. Lacquer, it's quite a massive thing. Okay, yeah. Hopefully, because it has to tow like boats and crap. Good. And it's nicely strapped down with tape and these things. It's, I don't know, is it made by them? Could be. Look at this. Let's cut this thing open. This thing is so heavy. Look at these things. Yes. Very well packaged. Okay. It only cost me $3 billion to have it sent here. I can't exactly carry it with my bicycle. Right. Okay, come. Get it. Right. Great. Oh, this thing looks pretty solid. Oops, I hope so. And a pretty thick steel, very nicely packaged with a lot of insulating foam and all of that stuff. Class 3 hitch over there. It doesn't come with the electronics, and that is bought separately. This is a 2-inch receiver. Is done slightly differently to how it's done in South Africa. You can basically put in any attachment into this thing, so you can slot your bike rack straight in there, or the ball for a trailer hitch, or any other type of thing, which is very interesting. So we will get to installing this on the van next time. Thanks for joining me for this thrilling episode of Jackson Garage Apartment Edition. What is it, $160 tow hitch. It looks pretty robust. It looks brand new. They said it would come with scuffs on, but it looks quite nice. And what else can I say? I'm pretty excited to get it installed on the van. Catch you next time.